This video is the introduction of a series about how to use the Unity engine in general. In the corner, I leave you the link to the playlist where I will be adding all the videos from this series. We will see basic topics such as installation and configuration to export to some platforms, the windows that will be most used, the components, and a little about creating scripts, but almost nothing about programming, because it's not the main idea. Here, what we are gonna do is to know as much as we can about the engine, and then that will be useful for us to be able to program anything we want. Because in general, the programming scripts that we will make are gonna operate on the scenes, on the objects, and the components of those objects. So the better we know how Unity works, the better our ability to solve problems and create algorithms will be. One very important thing, it's nice to watch the videos to learn and understand things, but in general you need a lot of practice to be able to use this knowledge to create something new. Just watching the videos isn't enough. You have to practice, so in general when you see something in these videos, the best thing would be to open Unity and try to do the same. Also start exploring on your own as much as you can. For example, create a separate project just for trying things. And so you will understand much more than I could ever explain to you. That would be all for now. Here on the left you have the complete playlist, on the right a list with solutions for Unity that you can download and import. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. See you next time.